What's up, tribe? How you guys doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I hope you like this video. This is a quick drop. Now, down to the Salt Lake City, y'all. It's going down, okay? We have Heather Gay suing Monica, and Monica countersuing Heather, okay? Let me read you guys this article. This is coming from the Sun, okay? The U.S. Sun. It is dated today. Well, no, yesterday. And let me read you guys what's going on down to the Salt Lake City. It says, ugly fight. Real Housewives of Salt Lake City star Monica Garcia sues Heather Gay's company Beauty Lab for botched injections on her nose and lips. Whew, honey. Monica and Heather's friendship isn't as rosy as it appears on the Real Housewives of Salt Lake City. According to a new lawsuit between Housewives newbie and the entrepreneur, the ladies are at war with each other after an apparent falling out that has yet to air on the show. It began in August when Heather's company Beauty Lab and Laser filed a lawsuit against Monica for breach of contract and breach of the covenant of good faith and fair dealing. The Salt Lake City medical spa said in the docs that Monica signed a contract with them in December of 2019. 2019? To pay $2,449 for cosmetic injection services. According to the court docs exclusively obtained by the U.S. Sun, Monica only paid the initial payment of $449, which included the $49 setup fee and the $400 down payment. She was then supposed to make $200 monthly payments for the next 10 months, but never did. Heather's name, interestingly enough, was not mentioned in the complaint. However, Beauty Lab argued that they suffered and continue to suffer significant losses and damages as a result of Monica not paying the full amount owed for their services. They requested the court determine at trial how much, not less than $2,000, that Monica should hand over, plus reasonable attorney fees and other remedies provided by statute of contract. Monica fired back at Beauty Lab by filing a counterclaim in her response that was filed in September, but then amended 2 months later. The Mom of Four's new answer was filed November the 7th, and it said, she's suing Beauty Lab for breach of independent duty of care, breach of contract, and breach of duty of good faith and fair dealing. So she's suing them for the same damn thing, basically. In the docs obtained, she admitted that she only made a payment of $449, but the reason why she didn't continue to make additional payments was because she believes that she received defective and negligently given injections which did not have the intended promised result. Due to Beauty Lab's botched injections, she claims, she had to go to another competent party to fix the damage to her nose and lips, despite Beauty Lab offering to fix the damages. So see, this is where she gonna get in trouble. I ain't nobody's lawyer. Let me wait till I get to the end. Okay. She argued that they promised they would not seek further payment and that she suffered more damages than Beauty Lab. These include nose injections given in a negligent, medically deficient manner that diminished the appearance of Monica's nose, and the appearance of Monica's lips was not improved. Okay, girl. Monica hints that Heather, Beauty Lab, and Laser's owner had something to do with the lawsuit, especially since it came nearly 4 years after she signed the contract for the services, which are now barred by latches. Beauty Lab filed the lawsuit 3 weeks prior to Monica making her debut as a housewife when the season 4 premiered in September. While the fight has yet to break out between Heather and Monica, the reality star claims that the OG has personal animosity towards her. The children's clothing founder stated that Beauty Lab's complaint I'm sorry, when things are grammatically off, it throws me off. I'm sorry. It says has been made because of the personal animosity towards Monica of Heather Gay, an officer and director of Heather Entertainment Incorporated, a member of Beauty Lab and Laser LLC, not because of the claims in the complaint. She basically saying she only sued me because we fell out on the show and this is her get back. Okay. Heather insisted on Beauty Lab's website is listed as the owner, and that it offers the best lip injections in Utah. She boasts about her company's success on the show and revealed early on in the season that she opened a second location. Monica was seen at the Murray location. The second one in Riverton celebrated its grand opening on September the 15th. Now, unless they were filming, girl, why were you there if they gave you such horrible service? While there's no definite number amount that Monica is seeking, she did state in the docs that the monetary damages sought are less than $50,000. She's asking the court to determine the amount at trial for the consequential damages she has suffered. She's also seeking an award of reasonable attorney fees, pre-judgment and post-judgment interest, and other remedies. Ciao. Monica's amended response and the counterclaim was just filed, so Beauty Lab has not responded. The Sun has reached out to both parties for comment. Now Heather has responded on her Instagram page, and she said the following. Beauty Lab and Laser is a phenomenal business in the top 1% of providers with over 3,000 positive reviews. Our injections are nationally ranked and I'm sorry, I cut it off when I took the screenshot. And leaders within the industry, and our legion of loyal customers speak for itself. This lawsuit in the press has no merit and is unfortunately a pattern of behavior from a desperate woman who is unable to pay her bills and lashes out to avoid accountability. Yeah, I'm gonna ask y'all what y'all think, because I'm gonna be honest with you. I can definitely see both sides of this coin. I can truly see, because my question is, it was in 2019. So if this woman has owed you money for 4 years, you clearly don't need it. You haven't filed any sort of lawsuit against her until you didn't even file it before the season started. You filed it after the season was over. So I do have to sort of question the timeline. Although, as a business, if you have a right to pursue it, we see where people wait years and years and years. Maybe they were trying to work with you and you breached that. Now, on the flip side, Monica said, look, I went to them. I told them I wasn't happy with the service. They said, don't worry about, well, they offered to fix it. You didn't want them to fix it. And they said, okay, girl, well, don't worry about what we owe you. I don't see a business doing that. I don't see a business doing that. I see a business saying, let us fix it. I even see in a business saying, well, we can take something off of what you owe. I don't see a business saying, girl, you don't owe us nothing. I mean, I'm not saying it's an impossible conversation. I'm going to say I hope you have that as an email. I just hope you have that in writing where they say, girl, don't worry about it. Now, if you have it in writing, girl, go for it. But I don't think you do. Anyway, child, this is definitely going to continue to play out. We know we're going to talk about it at the reunion. And I'm excited now to see what happens between Monica and Heather. Like, what happened on the show? Then I might have a better inkling as to where we stand. Okay? Y'all tell me what y'all think. I will talk to y'all later.